Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this one I'm going to demonstrate how you can actually install the Android benchmark application in any Android device. Recently I'm getting so many comments on this topic as well, how to install this Android benchmark application, and that's what I'm going to demonstrate in this video, how to install this latest version of the Android benchmark application in any Android device. So let's get started. So first step is that try to open the Google Chrome browser or maybe any other browser, and once you open the browser, try to type for the Android benchmark test APK, as you can see friends. So try to type in the search bar Android benchmark APK, and the first link you get, try to click on that. So once after you click on that, you need to download two different files. So one is the Android benchmark application, one is the 3D benchmark application. So two files you need to download, but remember friends, this another 3D benchmark application, the size will be close to 800 MB and this size will be close to 50 MB. So overall you require around 850 MB of data before you actually download. So that's something you should remember. So hopefully try to connect with the Wi-Fi connection, and this is the first file, which is called the download beta version, as you can see, and try to click on the download beta. So once you click on that, you'll get this message saying that do you want to download or not, and just click download anyway. And next thing is that 3D benchmark. As you can see, this is another application you need to download. So once you click on this 3D benchmark application as well, you'll get the message saying download or not. So you'll get the warning message saying that it's harmful. So it's up to you to decide whether to install or not, but this is the procedure to install the Android benchmark application in any Android device. And right now let me go to the details, and right now you can see here the details. The size is 745 MB and the normal size is 51 MB. As you can see, the overall size, it's kind of close to 800 MB. The size is there to download the Android benchmark application and the 3D benchmark application together. So in this way you can actually download the Android benchmark application in any other Android device. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to check the links in description for this live wallpaper what I'm trying to use. Until then, stay tuned. Signing off. In next video I'll try to concentrate on how to install PUBG Mobile. So stay tuned for those videos as well. Until then, bye.